So Byron, UMMC leaders saying that the issues they're facing here are statewide. And two of those issues are, one, a crowded hospital, and two, an exhausted staff.
6. That's how many open ICU beds we had in the state of Mississippi this morning. 6.
Dr. Jonathan Wilson is calling the shortage of ICU beds a near dire situation, but that's just one problem the hospital is facing.
But not only are we short-staffed, we're even shorter than usual short-staffed because we've had some outbreaks here at the medical center in our own staff.
In all of our healthcare industry, RNs, LPNs, and then nursing, ancillary nursing staff is several hundred that we have open.
Medical professionals are reaching new levels of exhaustion because of the repeated spike in cases and the lack of staff.
And it is almost impossible to put into words the frustration that they feel, that we all feel, and the disappointment, that here we are again. Here we are again, the disappointment, and honestly, some low level of anger.
Dr. Woodward attributes the frustration to the vaccine hesitancy.
Now we know more. Now we have a safe and effective tool that we did not have, this time last year. We've got the vaccine. We know more, and yet here we are again.
The medical experts say we are far from reaching the peak of cases in the Delta variant.
We had a major social event last week, the Neshoba County Fair. We've got schools starting back next week. People want to get right back into football season.
UMMC is still urging people to do their part to end this pandemic.
I feel like I say the same thing every day, day after day, repeating myself, encouraging people to get vaccinated.
According to the healthcare officials, the majority of cases are among the unvaccinated. In this new surge of cases, we're seeing more and more younger people being hospitalized. And the officials say that's because the unvaccinated population are those 50 and under age range. Live in Jackson, Anthony Howard, 12 News.